What are the disadvantages to putting money into dividend paying, participating whole life insurance contracts? I think the first disadvantage would be not having a clearly defined objective in terms of what you want that contract or system of contracts to help you achieve. Yes, it is fundamentally true that your money must reside somewhere, but we thoroughly believe that it's important that wherever your money resides, there should be a defined objective where we know how much money is needed, over what time frame, and what specific objective are we planning to achieve. I think that another disadvantage of warehousing money there is that if you're taking money away from an objective that you have that you need to get done, and you're taking that capital away from that objective, deprioritizing it and moving it into dividend paying participating whole life insurance, being that this is a tool and there's no one available to show you how to properly use the tool, then you may be at a disadvantage, because we can put the best tool for the job in the hands of someone who doesn't know how to use it. And not only are they not going to turn out any good work with the tool, they're likely going to break the darn tool. And while you may choose to implement this and to put money into dividend paying participating whole life insurance, here's what I would recommend that you do. First and foremost, I would recommend that you're careful about the life insurance company that you choose and the design of the policy. Secondly, I would encourage you to work with an authorized infinite banking practitioner with the Nelson Nash Institute. Here's what that means. It means that the person has been through an extensive course of study. They've also been through a mentoring period with an experienced practitioner. Now, if you're not sure how to locate a practitioner, or perhaps you don't know someone who's an authorized practitioner, then I would encourage you just to ease on over to our website at ascendantfinancial.ca. And on our site, we provide an abundance of content for you. If your preference is to read, we have a bookstore stocked with amazing reading material on the process. If you enjoy listening to podcasts, we have our Wealth Without Bay Street podcast with an abundance of great interviews, great content. And if you also want to head on over to YouTube, then you can visit our Wealth Without Bay Street YouTube channel, which also has a lot of great content for you. It's so important to work with someone who's thoroughly familiar with the concept, but also to just simply meet with someone who can clarify, answer questions, any lingering thoughts that come up for you.